Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that within 5 years, US hedge funds expect to hold 10.6% of assets in crypto. So this could be a massive increase what they put in crypto, and this is in 5 years. That's what they suggest here. Okay, the second thing is that more Brits bought crypto than shares last year, according to a new survey. And the third thing is that listed companies, trusts, and ETPs now control almost 7% of Bitcoin supply. So guys, let's discuss all these things in today's video. And if you want to keep yourself up to date, very important, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, because I'm bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news every weekday. So the only thing you have to do is subscribe, bell button, all, and that's it. Then you hear, and then you're going to get the notifications as soon as a new video comes out. And I'm putting them on YouTube, as I said, every weekday. You're getting the freshest news, and that keeps you up to date. This is very important. Check out the other links also under the video, because there's a free course, for instance, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. And now let's check out the market, how it looks like. So right now we see Bitcoin going up slightly, 0.3%. It's actually nothing. It's rather sideways. However, staying above 40,000, so 40,440 US dollar at the moment. Ethereum is 2,536. It's going down about 3% in the last 24 hours. When we're looking at the gainers, come on guys. Shiba, 26% is the leading one right now. We haven't seen Shiba here for a while in the top. Then we have Chile's 19%, of course, now because the football thing. And AMP, 12%. Then we should check out the losers. We see ICP still going down, 12% down now. Kusama, 9%. Sushi Swap, 6%. So things going kind of sideways at the moment. When we're looking at here our 4-hour candlestick chart, we can see that now we could see after here a breakout. Here, I put here this line, and then we broke out here. It would be very, very important, as I showed yesterday, that going above 43,000, because there are many support lines around that area, and well, probably it's maybe better on the daily to do so. But yes, as you can see, around here, around here. So many of them, and it would be very, very important to get above it to get it again bullish. If we're looking at the daily one, there you can see that we still haven't seen this kind of death cross, which is all about when the 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average is crossing each other. That's a kind of bearish signal. And yes, here now we see the 200-day moving average in green, and we really should establish ourselves above it when we want to get out of this bearish time what we have right now and continue the bull market as we left it. Also, don't forget that, the Federal Reserve meeting, it's also on. So we will see the results of what Jeremy Powell is saying, because it will have an impact on the stock market, no question of that. Depends what is he saying. And of course, if the stock market is dumping, it can easily happen that the crypto market dumps with it. So interesting things coming up pretty soon. And now let's move on to the first news. And the first one is all about that within 5 years, the US hedge funds expect to hold over 10% of assets in crypto. And this is actually a big increase, in my opinion. Okay, so, hedge funds are also started to invest in cryptocurrencies recently, mostly in Bitcoin. Yes, and then we have some others, Ethereum and other ones, but mainly in Bitcoin so far. And this number is growing. And here is this article now, which shows that within 5 years, actually, that's what they're saying, US hedge funds expect to hold 10.6% of assets in crypto, so moving even more into crypto. North American hedge funds are at the vanguard of crypto curious investors, although EU and the UK funds are not far behind, expecting to hold 6.8% of their assets in crypto within 5 years. So this goes all to the EU and the UK. New survey of 100 chief financial officers at hedge funds worldwide has indicated that the sector is planning a significant increase in the exposure to crypto assets in the near term. Assets in crypto held by global hedge funds could hit 312 billion US dollar. United States-based funds were most bullish about the new asset class, expecting the raise to their portfolio exposure to crypto to 10.6% on average within 5 years. And guys, this is major because, you know, when these guys getting into crypto more and more, it will also draw attention onto crypto. And this is in 5 years, what they say here. 5 years can go by very, very quickly. And now we're talking about, you know, institutions, but also hedge funds. When they saying that, okay, it's safer and safer to put money in crypto, then that will also attract other investors, more retail investors, and so on and so forth. And crypto can get bigger and bigger with that. 10% in a portfolio in crypto from a hedge fund, it's actually, I think, a big thing, in my opinion. Right, next thing. Another bullish thing is that more Brits bought crypto than shares last year, according to a survey. Okay, so here we have a survey in the next news, and according to the survey, more Brits bought crypto than shares in the last year. And here we go. A new survey suggests Brits have become more eager in invest in cryptocurrencies than in traditional stocks and shares-based investments. Interesting because, you know, definitely crypto is the new thing. And according to the survey, where are 1,269 respondents, you know, it looks like that the Brits rather preferred cryptocurrency and not the shares to invest. A financial analyst at AJ Bell, called late Khalaf, said that when more people are buying cryptocurrency than investing in stock market, Isha, you have to conclude the words gonna crypto crazy. So yes, there's a hype in crypto. There's no question of that. And here we go. The poll found that crypto investors are predominantly male and under 35. So the younger generation. And also that 71% of those who said they had bought crypto assets claim that have made profits. This is a big number. I'm a bit skeptical about that. It's a big number, 71%, but yeah, okay, according to the survey. While 12% reported making a loss in the past year, amusingly 17 said they didn't even know if they had made or lost with crypto investment. This is an interesting thing. You invest in something and you have no idea. It's going up or down. Who knows? I don't care. This is an interesting strategy. You should rather know that it's going up or down and do something about it. This 71% looks pretty big to me, but it definitely shows now that it's rather the young people under 35 who investing now in crypto. Of course, there is also from the elderly generation, but mainly. And also AJ Bell's analyst stated that new research showed that younger people, and here it is, have more confidence in their understanding of cryptocurrencies. So, This is also a trend, right? We have now a bull market. It was kind of bullish, at the beginning of the year. Since December, definitely since Bitcoin broke its previous record. Now we have a kind of shake-off and some kind of bearish moments, but definitely the news are good all around this crypto industry. So there is a likelihood that this kind of bull market will continue in the second part of this year. Of course, nobody knows what will happen. This is just predictions. But as we look at the news, things look actually positive, and more investors would like to get into crypto. But definitely many of them don't want to buy Bitcoin and others at a high price. So that's why this kind of shake-off. And yeah, this is also an interesting thing. Another thing I want to talk about is that listed companies, trusts and ETPs now control almost 7% of Bitcoin supply. And yes, 7%, about 7%, it's already in the hands of listed companies, trusts, and ETPs when it comes to Bitcoin. And here is this article, which shows that more publicly traded firms added Bitcoin to their treasuries during the first 4 months of 2021 than during the entire last year, so back in 2020. More than 6.5 billion worth of Bitcoin, or close to 1% of the crypto assets' entire capitalization, it's held by 19 publicly listed companies. So not many. Further, 5.75% of Bitcoin's market cap is held by exchange-traded products and closed-ended trusts. The study shows that the institutional adoption of crypto is on the rise, with 8 listed companies purchasing Bitcoin during the first 4 months in 2021 compared to 7 in all 2020. Beyond the treasuries of listed firms, the study identified that $43.2 billion worth of Bitcoin, equivalent to nearly 6% of Bitcoin's market cap, is held by ETP and trusts. So as we can see, the big guys getting into crypto, getting into Bitcoin at the first place, but then they moving on probably to Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies as they getting more and more safer and popular. And this will definitely bring the rise for crypto, in my opinion. Not financial advice. You decide what are your moves, but these are the facts in the present. And yes, we can see this shake off, but in long term, that is the reason why I think crypto, Bitcoin, and the others, the good cryptos I'm talking about, are bullish. So guys, that's it for today. Oh yeah, and by the way, here you can see, they actually have now a new website. It's bitcointreasuries.net. It used to be org, as you can see here. And yeah, here you can see that, MicroStrategy, how much they have bought, Tesla, Square, and so on and so forth. You can check this number. And here at the bottom, you can see that they have invested, all these institutional investors, almost $47 billion in Bitcoin. And even now that the price is down, their investments altogether is staying above 66 billion US dollar, which means altogether they made a good $20 billion. And yeah, if you're looking at this, and the Bitcoin price is down now 37% or something like that. And this is all about Bitcoin here, right? Okay. So guys, if you like this kind of content, smash the like button, highly appreciate it. Also, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you would like to get the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news every weekday. Subscribe, bell button, all so simple it is. And then you can stay up to date with us. Okay, and I wish you now a very, very great day. And tomorrow, of course, I'm coming back with the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. I wish you an amazing day. Once again, have a good one. Bye-bye.